Hi everyone, welcome back to this channel. In this tutorial, I will show you how to create an exclusive cute profile card in Heartopia. So, Heartopia has added a fun profile generator feature that lets you create a personalized card to share your bio with other players. It's a great way to introduce yourself and make a new friends in the game. First, just open the Heartopia and then just tap on the globe icon, and then next just go to Discovery, and then next just tap on the profile generator, and then just tap on login on here, and then after that just log in with your Google account. You can log in with your Google account, and then in here after that just tap on start, and then in here just upload your favorite photo. You can use your avatar photos from Heartopia like this, and then after that just fill in your information such as your name, birthday, personality, and server, and then next just use the text that best represent you and your interests. After that just tap on next, and then just customize your card by selecting your favorite card color, profile photo frame, and your favorite NPC icon like this. Just create it as you like this, and then after that once everything looks perfect just tap create, and then just tap on like this, and then in here your exclusive cute profile card is ready, and you can just share it with other players or just download it directly to your device. And okay, that's it. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more tutorials. Thanks for watching, and see you.